If you talk to the programs team at Global Fund for Children, some of our favorite stories to share are the ones where we've gone through great lengths to find organizations that are working really hard to empower children and youth.
They are our favorite stories to tell. I love scouting for new partners. I love going to meet with them where they work, to meet with these incredible leaders, the children and youth that they work with, seeing the excitement about being involved in their programs, and really being able to have these conversations where we imagine the possibilities together.
These are somewhat smaller, messier organizations that don't have the systems in place to really access larger funding.
But what they do have is, that local knowledge of those communities. They have creative and unique ideas, and they also have the willpower and drive to help the children and the youth, and ultimately that's where GFC comes in.
The Global Fund for Children approach is one that uses any means necessary. We use the advice of our peers, of our friends, of our alumni partners, of our current grantee partners.
We go outside of our comfort zones, we go outside of the comfort zones of many other donors, and we find these organizations in remote locations that are doing really innovative work.
It's important and integral part of our process to go into their communities, see their reality, live out their reality, hear their story, and really interact with them on a personal level.
So they take me an hour outside of the city limits, and we end up in this beautiful space.
Dropped me off, I walked a bunch to get to the door, knocked on the door, opened up, and there was a scene that I wasn't expecting, but
They also say don't think about renting a small car. You have to get a four-wheeler off-road vehicle for you to get there. So that's what we did. We got a vehicle, got our snacks early in the morning, and off we went. Getting to Samburu Girls Foundation operates from took us 8 hours. It was hot, it was muddy. We had to push the vehicle some stretches of the road because we got stuck, and we didn't even have people to help us, and we only had giraffes and elephants to watch while we did that. So we get to Samburu and we see the organization, and then this is what GFC does. This is what we do. We go to where other people don't want to go, and getting there and actually getting to see the organization and what it does was really worth the pushing of the vehicle and everything that we did along the way.
So what people need to know about GFC and the way that we find organizations is that we go there. We meet face to face with people, and that's really the only way to know truly what's happening.
we're asking them what they need and how we can help them. And that's really important to them. And it's an approach and a style that they really don't have much experience with, if at all.
We understand change takes a long time, and we engage with our partners for many years to make sure that we are with them as a part of their journey in engaging children and youth as leaders for tomorrow.
So join us along this journey where we can find great organizations doing amazing work on behalf of children and youth. The children and youth are our future, and so together we can create a space that fosters their growth, that keeps them safe, and allows them to reach their full potential. Be part of the GFC family, and together we can support the children and youth around the world. Thank you.